Email is a critical piece of any web application to function properly. And if you're rich, you'd probably use a third-party service like Mailtrap or Postmark for testing emails. But if you're a broke peasant like me who can't afford the $10 subscription fee, you might want to use something more on the free side. In today's video, I will show you how to send and receive emails on your local machine with Mailhog, powered by Laravel, Sail, and Docker. If you're new here, like and subscribe to watch more content like this. Now let's get started. First things first, let's open up our PHPStorm IDE, and as you can see, I have a freshly installed Laravel application which I created by running Laravel new app. As of Laravel 9, Sail is installed by default, which means we can run PHP Artisan Sail install, then select Mailhog, which is option number 7. Then create an alias for Sail, then run sail up-d. Now that our Docker containers are running, we can create a mailable file for testing purposes by running sail artisan make mail test mailable. Then in the test mailable class, we need to update the subject to say test mailable. Now verify our env file and see all of the mail configuration is set up. The most important is to have the mail from address. Now that everything is set up, we can start up Tinker by running sail artisan tinker and type in the command to send a test mailable using the mail facade. Now let's navigate to the browser and go to the Mailhog homepage by typing in localhost port 8025, and as you can see, we have our email that was sent successfully. There you have it. You just learned how to send and receive emails locally without paying a third-party service.